Indian, the right side. Indian.
Indian eh.
Your ancestors, your ancestor. Makikita mo yung reenactment, yan ang talaga yung...
Wine and wine.
Ayoko nga.
Wine की variety.
Yeah, halika kayo dito. Let's explore the heritage of Cebu. So, welcome to Cebu Heritage Park and Monument. Okay, till we enter here in Cebu Heritage Park and Monument, so the first to welcome with us is the Battle of Mactan, the King of Mactan, Lapu-Lapu, and then together with his tribes. So here, follow me. Yes, this is Lapu-Lapu, the King of Mactan who fight Magellan in Mactan Island. Okay. So in this corner, this is the first mass of Cebu, headed by Father Bardarama, the priest who conducted the first mass here in Cebu. And then the cross brought of Ferdinand Magellan as a spreading of Christianity, because the first Christianity of the first baptism was happening here in Cebu by Magellan and Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, and then the King of Spain. Yeah. Okay. So here in this corner, so these are the three oldest churches of Cebu. Yes, the three oldest churches. We have the Santo Niño Church in the right, and then in the center is the Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral, and then the last one is the St. John the Baptist Church. But suddenly St. John the Baptist Church is not existent anymore. Yes, because of Second World War II happened here in the Philippines. So right now the St. John the Baptist Church is located here in this site, so that the Cebuanos will remember the St. John the Baptist Church. Anong sinusunog? That's the Sinulog dance candle that you can see in the Magellan's Cross.
Every fiesta, diba?
Yes, and then that's the Fiesta of Cebu, carrying the holy infant image of Senor Santo Niño, brought of Ferdinand Magellan as a gift of the King and Queen in Cebu. Kaya ng kumana, and then lahat who baptized to become a Christian. Yes. Yes. Born and raised here in the Cebu celebrating that. He is the 4th President of the Philippines.
Osmania.
Yeah, Osmania. Sergio Osmania. That's in the 50 pesos bill. Yeah. The father of Cebu. American citizen. Yeah. No, that's Noy Noy. It's American. Yeah. This is the barter trading between the Spanish, the Indians, and then the Chinese, and then the native tribes settled. The Galvan trade.
Chinese center. Indian, the right side. Indian.
Your ancestors, your ancestor. Yeah. They came here in Cebu for the trading.
Yes.
Barter.
Yes. ये मार्केट है गाइस, इसमें आप सारे ड्राइड वाला सब देख सकते हैं, जितने सब ड्राइड सब चीज़ हैं, इट्स ऑल ड्राइड अप एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ ड्राइड है, ड्राइड फिश। जनरली हम लोग अपना उड़िया लैंग्वेज में इसको सुकुआ बोलते हैं, तो मैं भी आपको सुकुआ ही दिखा रहा हूँ। फिलीपींस में वही चीज़ है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे पहले कलिंगा कल्चर था, सो वही चीज़ है यहाँ पे।
Yung original?
Makikita ko yung written act, man. Yan ang talaga yung dalawa.
So that this photo will be taken to you.
My goodness, they have banged your mind completely.
Okay, take your selfie.
Santo Niño.
Tika? 5%
Yes, nadaan na tayo dito yung
Hindi pa natin
stop. Oh, kasi mag-post na yung
Hindi pwede mag-stop dyan.
my ticket. Ayan na.
Huh? Okay. I don't even know.
This is our last stop. 10,000 roses. Look, 30 minutes here. Ano, in the night? In the night, that roses, they will put lights. But no, no. 해야지.